So welcome to 2021 paper 2 revision. Let's see how question 1 was asked. The question says express 187,863 in standard form correct to 3 significant figures. So this is what you have to do. As you can see, what we have been given here, they are all significant. So first of all, we need to round off. We need to express in standard form. So what do? Whenever you see a number without the decimal point, just know the point is at the end here. Then it means you need to move until you have one figure. This point should move up to here. So we write 1.87863. The point has moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, right? So since it has moved 5 steps, you write times 10 to the power 5. You see that? So when you write like this, you are not changing anything. As you are aware, 10 to the power 5, it means there must be how many zeros? 5 zeros. If you multiply with this, you go back to the question. So like this, it is in standard form. That's standard form. Then later, let's consider 3 significant figures. So all these numbers are significant. So it means you target only 3. You target only 3. So you write 1, 1, 2, 3. When you stand on the third number, look at the next number here. If the next number is 5 and above, you add 1 to this. If this next number is 4 and below, you don't add 1 to this 7. So in this case, the next number is 5 and above, so we add a 1 to 7. So it will be 1.88 as well, times 10 to the power 5. This is what it means when they say write in standard form correct to 3 significant figures. So here is 1 mark, there also it is 1 mark. This is what you have to do. Question B, they want us to solve the equation x minus 3 over 2 minus 1 is equal to x. So once you see a letter, we can create a variable. It means we need to find the value of that variable or letter. So what are we supposed to do? For now, it's fine if you take -1 on that side. It will still be fine. But in this case, what they want us to do is to first remain with x on one side, then the rest should be also on the other side. So what we're going to do here, we're going to divide here over 1 like this. Then since there's minus, we need to look for the common denominator, which is a 2, where 1 and 2 will go without giving us a remainder, right? Here we have x. So 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times x minus 3, it will still be x minus 3. 1 into 2, 2. 2 times 1 to still be 2. So these are like terms. You are aware that -3 minus 2, you get -5 over the same 2 is equal to x. Now that there's a fraction here, even here, you do over 1, right? Then since there's equal sign, you cross multiply. You can start from any diagonal. So x minus 5 times 1, it will mean x minus 5 is equal to 2 times x, it will be 2x. So how should we remain with x on one side as our target? So you can bring 2x this side, or x should go the other side, whichever way. So in this case, you can do whichever way. X, let it go where there is a fellow x, right? A number with an x with it. They are like terms. So -5 will remain here. -5 will remain. Then we have 2x here. This x will cross to become -x, right? So -5 is equal to 2x minus, this is same as saying 1x. 2x minus 1x, you just get x. So here same as writing it as x is equal to -5. Whether this one or this one, it is still okay. So this is what you do when they say solve the equation. You target the letter that has been asked.